Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Automobile dashing way today. I'm going to show you how to fix the P0017 code. And the best part? You can do it yourself in just 5 minutes. If your check engine light is on and your scanner says P0017, Crankshaft Position, Camshaft Position Correlation Bank 1 sensor B. Don't panic. I've got you covered. So what exactly does P0017 mean? This code pops up when your engine's computer detects that the crankshaft and camshaft are out of sync. In simple terms, your engine's timing is off, and that can cause rough idling, poor fuel economy, or even engine damage if ignored. Here are the most common causes. 1. Bad camshaft or crankshaft position sensor. 2. Dirty or old engine oil. 3. Stretch timing chain or belt. 4. Faulty timing chain tensioner. 5. Wiring issues. Now, here's the quick fix that works in most cases and takes only 5 minutes. 1. Check your engine oil. Low or dirty oil can mess with your timing. If it's dirty, change it right away. 2. Inspect the wiring. Look for loose or damaged connectors on your camshaft and crankshaft sensors. 3. Reset the code. Use your OBD2 scanner to clear the code. Then start your car and see if it comes back. If the code disappears, great. You just save yourself a trip to the shop. If it returns, the sensor might need replacing. Remember, always start with the easy fixes first before replacing expensive parts. Keep your oil fresh, check your wiring, and scan your car regularly. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, thumbs up, subscribe for more quick car fixes, and drop your questions in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and keep that engine light OFF.